What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the next one up. Silverado crew cab. I believe it's a 1312. It's got some front end damaged. We're going to be replacing a lot of these parts. We're going to be doing a front end conversion from the 13 non-HD to the Duramax HD with the hood, the bumper, and the grille. It does have some damages. We do have some parts that I've been painting in the back. We do have the bumper. Customer brought all the parts. We are gonna have to lower the bumper for the HD pad and get everything installed, and then get the rest of the parts painted. Let's check it out. Like I said, it does have some damage to the fender. That fender. Bumper's loose. It's pushed in. There. And right there. That's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do the conversion on it from a non-HD to an HD. Get it color matched, and let's see what we can do with the grill. Maybe change it up on the HD grill. Maybe add some color to it. He does want the bow tie red on this truck. So here she is. Next one up. I will be having this truck. He does live local. I will be having this truck during the week because I do have to order some bumper brackets and go from there. So all right, guys, let's get it. Sorry. So first thing I notice, it does have a bent bracket for the grill, but it can be easily bent back. So that's our first issue there. Did have a broken tab on the headlights, you can see there. So I'm gonna now take off the, actually has a broken tab down at the bottom, so we should be able to pull this light out. Oh, no, there's a bolt in there. Let me take that bolt out, we can get the headlight out. Tab was broken already, so it was easy to come out. There's another broken spot right there. Up here. Alright, guys, sorry, camera died. Had to charge it up a little bit. The fender is already done and painted, so I'm gonna bring that over, install that. That way I can get the fender taken care of. The hood is I had to color sand it, and I wanted to buff it out to give it more of a mirror finish on that, just because I did have some little bit of trash on it. But yeah, that's where we are now. And I did notice this one has one bracket and this one doesn't have a bracket on it. So we are going to go HD, so we are going to get the conversion brackets for it to lower it down. And we do have all the parts here. Bumper. I am going to put everything factory back on. The heat shield for the hood, everything back on except the bumper and the grill. We do have the parts. Customer did buy all the parts for the HD. There's the bumper, top valance, bottom, very bottom valance, and then there's a little lip to that bottom valance, and the HD grill. HD grill. It's gonna look badass. Let me install it real quick just to see what it looks like. Alright, guys, we got the bumper installed, the grill, lights, aftermarket lights. Does have the driving light, the DRL. It looks badass. I like this conversion on this truck. Badass. So what we're missing next is the inserts here. It's like a cone, and then you pop in your fog lights. We're missing those. We gotta order those. And this other side, and then we gotta order the plastics that go here with the vortex symbol. and install the hood, and this truck will be ready to go home. That looks badass. Looks nice and tough. Looks aggressive, mean. We got the bumper HD installed, the new headlights, we got the fog lights, black inserts in finally, so we got those and hooked them up. So it's looking good. Hood is installed. I did get the aftermarket these covers. The only thing that sucks is they did not come with no hardware. These come with a little bushing here, so when you put them in these little holes here, you just pop them in and it gets in. And then this part right here has like a little insert for a screw. You're supposed to put two inserts and then 2 screws. That holds everything down, and then you pop in your Vortex, the little emblem here that covers this up. But yeah, that's all we're missing is the hardware for these. There's the other one. This is looking good. And we still need to paint this gold to red. We'll leave the black on it and we'll just paint this red, pop it in place. This is easy. I could just reach in here, pop this out, paint it, pop it back in. And the top grill trim for the hood, the HD hood. I don't know if the customer is going to end up getting that. I totally forgot about it, so I'll let him see if he wants to order it. It's just a thing you order, you just pop it in. There's nothing special. It's easy. But that's it, guys. It looks badass. HD conversion. Alright guys, we installed these plastics. I did find some hardware that I had laying around. They're on there good. Nice Vortex chrome with red, since he is kind of doing a red theme. Like I said, we got to paint that red. He does have a red decal on there. There it is, Vortex. Plastics are on. She looks good. We are going to go ahead and wash her up. She's a little dirty, even though we got some cloudy, but we'll go ahead and wash her up and then take off that emblem.